Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me. Today we're embarking on a journey through time and tradition. Today we're talking about the Old Farmer's Almanac, a little yellow book that's been a trusted companion for generations. It's instantly recognizable, and for many, it's as much a part of the changing seasons as the first frost or the return of spring birds. For over 2 centuries, it's been a staple in American and Canadian homes, offering guidance on everything from planting gardens to preparing for winter. Its pages are filled with tips, tricks, and time-tested wisdom that help families make the most of each season. First published in 1792, when George Washington was president, its longevity gives it a unique authority. Few publications can claim such a rich and enduring legacy. The Almanac blends practical advice with folklore, making it more than just facts and figures. It tells the story of the year ahead. Each edition is a blend of weather predictions, gardening calendars, and quirky tidbits that spark curiosity. Its friendly, accessible tone feels like advice from a wise neighbor who's seen it all. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just curious about the weather, the Almanac welcomes everyone. The annual release is an event signaling the transition from summer to fall and bringing families together to check forecasts and plan ahead. It's a moment that marks the passage of time and invites us to look forward. It's a comforting voice in a chaotic world, connecting us to the rhythms of nature. The Almanac reminds us to slow down and appreciate the simple cycles that shape our lives. Even in the digital age, flipping through its pages remains a cherished tradition. There's something special about holding the Almanac in your hands, feeling the paper, and discovering what's inside. The Almanac sparks conversations about weather, the stars, and the natural world. It encourages us to wonder, to ask questions, and to share stories with each other. It's a link to the past and a guide for the future. Passed down through generations, it connects us to those who came before and those yet to come. So, let's open its pages together and dive into what's in store for the coming winter, discovering the wisdom, warmth, and wonder that the Old Farmer's Almanac continues to offer us all. Now, let's get to the weather. The upcoming winter season is already making headlines, and for good reason. The Old Farmer's Almanac is teasing a winter of deep chills and active storm tracks for 2026-2027. This isn't just your average cold season, it's shaping up to be one for the record books. That means we could see colder and snowier conditions than usual. Classic, old-fashioned winter weather that many haven't experienced in years. Deep chills signals extended periods of bone-chilling cold, not just a quick snap. Expect temperatures to plunge and stay low for days or even weeks at a time. This affects everything from heating bills to daily routines, so it's time to think about winterizing homes and cars. Insulating pipes, checking furnaces, and stocking up on essentials will be more important than ever. Active storm tracks means frequent storms crossing the continent, bringing repeated rounds of snow, sleet, or freezing rain. Travel could be disrupted and roads may be hazardous more often. Some regions could see powerful coastal storms or blizzards, making winter feel relentless. These intense systems can bring high winds, whiteouts, and even power outages. The combination of persistent cold and steady moisture is a recipe for major snow events. Snowdrifts could pile up, and shoveling may become a daily routine. While the full forecast will reveal more, this teaser is a strong warning to prepare. Stock up on supplies, check your emergency kits, and make sure you're ready for whatever winter brings. The atmosphere is setting up for a cold, stormy pattern. Meteorologists are watching closely as conditions develop. Time to start planning for a memorable winter, one that could test our readiness and bring stories we'll remember for years to come. So, where will winter hit hardest? Let's break down which regions are most likely to feel the brunt of the season's chill and storms. Historically, the coldest air dives south from the Arctic, settling over the northern plains, upper Midwest, and Great Lakes. These areas are often the first to experience bitter cold and heavy snow, as frigid air masses sweep down and linger for days or even weeks. States like North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Michigan, plus Canada's prairie provinces, are prime candidates for deep chills. Residents here are no strangers to sub-zero temperatures, icy winds, and snowdrifts that can pile up quickly. The Northeast and New England often see frequent nor'easters, with heavy snow and strong winds from DC to Maine. These powerful storms can bring travel to a halt and leave cities blanketed in snow for days. The Appalachians and eastern Canada could also see significant snow, especially at higher elevations, where storms can dump several feet of accumulation. Even the South might get more cold fronts, rain, or rare snow events. Volatility is key. Cities like Atlanta or Dallas could see icy roads, or even a surprise snowfall, reminding everyone that winter can reach far beyond its usual boundaries. A dip in the jet stream could bring frigid air farther south than usual, making for unpredictable and sometimes extreme weather patterns across the country. Out west, active storm tracks could mean much-needed rain and mountain snow for California and the Southwest. This precipitation is crucial for water supplies and can also bring hazardous travel conditions. The Pacific Northwest may see a cold, wet winter, with frequent rain in the lowlands and snow piling up in the mountains, making it a challenging season for both commuters and outdoor enthusiasts. Bottom line, a dynamic, impactful winter is on the way for many, with each region facing its own unique set of challenges and surprises as the season unfolds. How does the Old Farmer's Almanac predict the weather so far ahead? It's all thanks to a secret formula, developed by founder Robert B. Thomas and kept locked away in New Hampshire. The Almanac's method blends solar science, studying sunspots and solar cycles, with climatology, analyzing long-term weather patterns. By comparing current conditions to historical trends, they make educated guesses about the seasons ahead. They also factor in large-scale climate drivers like ocean temperatures. Astronomy plays a role too, with the almanac considering moon phases and planetary positions. The idea is that celestial cycles subtly influence Earth's weather. While mainstream science debates some of these methods, the almanac's unique blend of solar science, climatology, and astronomy has produced surprisingly accurate long-range forecasts for over 2 centuries. It's a fascinating mix of tradition and science. That's what sets the almanac apart. Let's clear up some confusion. There are 2 major almanacs, the Old Farmer's Almanac and the Farmer's Almanac. The Old Farmer's Almanac, with its iconic yellow cover, is still going strong and has never missed a year since 1792. It's the oldest continuously published periodical in North America, based in Dublin, New Hampshire. The Farmer's Almanac, founded in Maine in 1818, recently announced its final edition due to financial challenges. That closure does not affect the Old Farmer's Almanac. So, if you hear about an almanac ending, it's the Farmer's Almanac from Maine, not the Old Farmer's Almanac. The Old Farmer's Almanac continues to publish its famous forecasts, gardening tips, and astronomical info every year. Its legacy and connection with readers remain unbroken. Rest assured, your favorite yellow-covered guide isn't going anywhere. The tradition lives on. Eager for the full forecast, the 2026 edition of the Old Farmer's Almanac drops Tuesday, August 26, 2026. That's when you'll get detailed regional maps and month-by-month predictions. You can find it at most major retailers, grocery stores, bookstores, hardware stores, and more. Across the US and Canada, look for the bright yellow cover, and be sure to grab the right edition for your country. Prefer shopping online? Order directly from almanac.com for paperback, hardcover, or digital formats. The website often offers special bundles with gardening calendars or cookbooks. Digital editions are perfect for reading on the go. However you get it, the Almanac's release is the official start of the conversation about the year ahead. The Almanac is more than just a winter forecast. It's a comprehensive guide to country living. Its gardening section offers detailed planting calendars and advice for every region. You'll find tips on starting seeds, improving soil, and dealing with pests. The almanac's astronomical data covers moon phases, sunrise and sunset times, and celestial events, useful for stargazers, hunters, and fishermen. It's also packed with hearty traditional recipes and tips on canning and preserving. Beyond the practical, you'll find wit, folklore, jokes, and historical tidbits throughout its pages. This delightful mix of useful and whimsical content makes the almanac a joy to read year-round. There's always something new to learn or try. It's a true companion for all seasons. When the full 2026 Almanac arrives, check out the detailed regional maps. They break down the forecast for every area. Dive into the month-by-month summaries for your region to see when to expect cold snaps, storms, or thaws. The Almanac often pinpoints likely dates for major snow or ice events. Circle those on your calendar. It's fun to track these predictions as winter unfolds. Don't just focus on winter, the Almanac covers all 4 seasons, so check the outlook for spring, summer, and autumn 2027. Will it be a wet spring, a hot summer, or a cool fall? The Almanac's comprehensive forecast helps you plan everything from vacations to gardening. It's more than just weather, it's a guide for the whole year. Get the full picture and be prepared. Why does the Old Farmer's Almanac still capture our hearts in the digital age? It's about tradition, a link to our past, and a comforting reminder of simpler times. The Almanac sparks conversations, friendly debates, and anticipation for the seasons ahead. Tracking its predictions becomes a fun way to engage with nature. It offers a sense of preparation and control, helping us plan gardens, winterize homes, or schedule trips. The Almanac empowers us to work with nature, not against it. Ultimately, it connects us to the cycles of the sun, moon, and seasons. Its blend of science, folklore, and practical wisdom is as relevant today as ever. For over 230 years, it's been a humble, friendly guide. And that's why we'll keep turning its pages for years to come.